I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming the essentials so you avoid guessing. Check that router and modem are powered and stable. If LEDs are off, reboot them now. Once done, go to TV menu right arrow network and note whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, plus the TV's IP and DNS. You need those details to compare before and after changes. This prevents repeated steps and helps you see if the TV obtained an IP or hit a DNS failure. Now you'll refresh the TV's network identity and fix name lookup problems. First, forget the Wi-Fi network on the TV and reconnect entering the password precisely. This clears stale credentials. If server not found persists, switch from automatic DNS to manual and enter 8 or 1 to bypass ISP DNS problems. Also, plug in Ethernet if you can to confirm whether Wi-Fi is the culprit. These steps separate authentication issues from DNS resolution and hardware connectivity fault. Finish by ensuring the TV software and state are clean so connectivity can recover. Check menu right arrow support, right arrow software update, and install any update to fix known network bugs. Then power cycle the TV by unplugging 30 seconds and restart the router to clear cached locks. Make sure settings you changed persist. If server not found returns, perform a factory reset only after backing up apps, or test the TV on a mobile hotspot to determine whether your home network or the TV itself is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.